Sales volume, we jumped up a little bit here, 5 to 50 units, a little bit more from 344 million to 373. And then you have a little bit less in the middle section, and then 100 plus units, you went from $1.5 billion to over $2 billion. So jumped $700 million from $2 billion to $2.7 billion. That's a big number, especially when you look at 12 and 13. That was basically 4 times more on sales dollars than we were 4 or 5 years ago. So a very robust, strong market. Okay, going into the 5 to 50 units. We'll look at the price per unit, and Phil, to your point, the price per units in the median is almost identical. I don't have the medians here, but when I was putting this together, pretty close. But you see the price per unit on 5 to 50 units is $133,000 a door. Again, a little bit less if you're in the suburbs and maybe a little bit more if you're close to downtown, but most of the stuff, 80% of the stuff was out of the core. If you go back to here, 189 deals in 5 to 50 units, and a great majority of those, 80%, so you look at 160 of those are outside the core, 165. You're only talking about 20 deals that are inside the core of 5 to 50 units, a very small fraction. So that's why the median number is, and average are actually close. We're talking 20 of those deals were close in. Okay. So the other thing that means to me is if you're looking to buy close in, there's very few deals available, so the prices are going to be really high. And you could look a long time and not find what you're looking for. So if you're looking to buy a deal in the core, it's something to be aware of. So price per unit jumped up to 133 a door. So we saw that spike happen. It's been relatively gradual. I mean, it's not just a huge spike, but it's definitely a jump from 2012. And then you look at price per square foot, identical to last year at 138 bucks. And then if you look at your median cap rate, that's continued to drop. And cap rate's an inexact science, but you're right around 5.3% cap rate for 5 to 50 units.